The hidden dangers of oatmeal. Oatmeal has long been considered a healthy breakfast choice, but recent research suggests that the truth is not as clear-cut as we once thought. While some studies show that consuming oatmeal can lead to an improvement in blood sugar and cholesterol levels, other research has revealed some concerning facts about the popular breakfast food. One of the most significant issues with oatmeal is the amount of sugar found in many pre-packaged varieties. Flavored oatmeal packets often contain high amounts of added sugars, which can negate any potential health benefits. These types of oatmeal should be avoided, especially if you're looking to maintain healthy blood sugar levels. However, even unsweetened oatmeal may not be as healthy as we once believed. For example, while some studies have shown that consuming oatmeal can lead to a significant improvement in blood sugar levels, the control group in one study was white bread, which is widely considered to be unhealthy. Additionally, some research has suggested that avenin, a type of gluten found in oats, may increase cytokines, which can lead to inflammation in the body. While not everyone will be affected by this, those who are sensitive to gluten may want to avoid oatmeal altogether. Another issue with oatmeal is the possibility of glyphosate contamination. Glyphosate is a widely used herbicide that has been linked to cancer and other health issues. While many oat products have been treated with glyphosate, some brands are now offering oatmeal that is certified as glyphosate-free. Given these concerns, some people may be wondering if it's best to skip breakfast altogether. Intermittent fasting has become a popular trend in recent years, and some research suggests that it can have health benefits, including weight loss and improved insulin sensitivity. However, it's important to note that intermittent fasting may not be suitable for everyone, and it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet. If you do decide to consume breakfast, eggs may be a healthier choice than oatmeal. Eggs are an excellent source of protein and healthy fats, and consuming them in the morning can help keep you feeling full and satisfied throughout the day. Additionally, there is no risk of gluten contamination or glyphosate exposure when consuming eggs. In conclusion, while oatmeal can be a healthy breakfast choice, it's essential to be mindful of the potential downsides. Avoiding pre-packaged, flavored oatmeal and opting for certified glyphosate-free brands is a good start. If you're sensitive to gluten, you may want to consider skipping oatmeal altogether. And if you're looking for an alternative breakfast option, eggs are an excellent choice. As with any dietary decision, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet.